Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready for an adventure like no other? Welcome to Investment Island, where the mysteries of finance unfold. This isn't just any island, it's a place where the future of money is being shaped. Today we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin. This digital currency has taken the world by storm, and it's time we uncover its secrets. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride. Bitcoin's journey is filled with ups and downs, much like a thrilling roller coaster. Imagine a currency free from the shackles of governments and banks. Bitcoin offers a new kind of freedom, one that empowers individuals. A currency that exists solely in the digital realm. That's Bitcoin, baby. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. It's like finding a magical seashell on the beach. But instead of a simple shell, you're discovering a revolutionary financial tool. But instead of whispering ocean secrets, it whispers decentralization. This means power is distributed among all its users. So grab your metaphorical snorkel and let's explore the depths of Bitcoin together. We'll uncover how it works, why it's valuable, and what the future might hold for this groundbreaking technology. Our story begins in 2008 with a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who Satoshi really is. Maybe a tech genius, a group of brilliant minds, a rogue AI. The world may never know. Satoshi unleashed Bitcoin upon the world. It was a revolutionary idea, a digital currency powered by cryptography. This wasn't just about money, it was about freedom. Freedom from traditional financial systems. And so, Bitcoin was born. A digital revolution had begun. Now, let's talk transactions. Imagine sending money to a friend without using a bank. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. You have a Bitcoin wallet, a digital address where you store your Bitcoin. Your friend has one too. You want to send them some Bitcoin? Easy peasy. You initiate a transaction using your wallet. This transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. But here's the twist. No central authority verifies it. Enter the blockchain. Picture a giant public ledger. This ledger records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. But here's the kicker, the blockchain isn't stored in one place. It's copied across a network of computers. When you make a transaction, it's added to a block of transactions. This block is then linked to the previous block, forming a chain, hence, the blockchain. This decentralized system makes Bitcoin incredibly secure. No single entity can control or manipulate it. Section 5. Bitcoin mining, digital gold rush. In the world of digital currencies, Bitcoin stands out as the most well-known and valuable. But have you ever wondered how new Bitcoins are created, and who keeps the entire system running smoothly? Now, who maintains this blockchain, you ask? The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. It's a complex system that requires constant maintenance and verification to ensure its accuracy and security. That's where miners come in. These individuals and organizations play a crucial role in the Bitcoin ecosystem. They are responsible for verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Think of miners as digital gold diggers. Just like prospectors in the old days who searched for gold, modern-day miners search for digital gold, Bitcoin. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are not just any ordinary math problems. They are cryptographic puzzles that require significant computational power to solve. These problems are designed to be difficult and time-consuming to solve. The difficulty of these puzzles adjusts over time to ensure that new blocks are added to the blockchain approximately every 10 minutes. Why? To ensure the security and integrity of the blockchain. By making the puzzles difficult, it prevents any single entity from easily taking control of the network. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. This process is known as proof of work, and it's a fundamental aspect of Bitcoin's security. And they get rewarded with, you guessed it, Bitcoin. This reward incentivizes miners to continue their work, ensuring the ongoing operation and security of the network. It's like a digital treasure hunt, but instead of shovels and pickaxes, they use algorithms and processing power. The more powerful the computer, the better the chances of solving the puzzle and earning the reward. This digital gold rush has created a global network of miners, all working together and competing against each other. It's a fascinating blend of cooperation and competition, driven by the promise of digital wealth. As technology evolves, so does the world of cryptocurrency mining. New methods and innovations are constantly being developed to make the process more efficient and secure. The digital gold rush is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Section 6. Bitcoin, the two sides of the coin. Like any good investment, Bitcoin has its pros and cons. It's a digital currency that has taken the world by storm, promising a new way to think about money and transactions. Let's weigh them, shall we? On one hand, Bitcoin offers several advantages that make it appealing to many. On the plus side, Bitcoin offers anonymity, allowing users to make transactions without revealing their identities. It also provides a high level of security, thanks to its underlying blockchain technology, which ensures that transactions are secure and tamper-proof. Transparency is another key benefit, as every transaction is recorded on a public ledger. Additionally, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no single entity, like a government or financial institution, has control over it. This decentralization can protect against censorship and interference. However, Bitcoin's value can be volatile. Its price can fluctuate wildly within short periods, making it a risky investment for those who are not prepared for its ups and downs. It's known for its wild price swings, which can be both an opportunity and a challenge for investors. The potential for high returns comes with the risk of significant losses. And don't forget the environmental impact of all that mining. Bitcoin mining requires a substantial amount of energy, leading to concerns about its sustainability and carbon footprint. So, is Bitcoin a dream come true or a bubble waiting to burst? Only time will tell. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand both the potential rewards and the risks involved. Bitcoin represents a fascinating evolution in the world of finance, but it's not without its challenges. Whether it will become a staple of the financial system or fade into obscurity remains to be seen. Section 7. Bitcoin's potential, reshaping the financial landscape. One thing's for sure, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are instant and nearly free, where financial inclusion is a reality for everyone. Bitcoin could disrupt traditional financial institutions. It could empower individuals and level the playing field. It's a glimpse into a future where finance is more accessible, transparent, and equitable. Section 8. Join the adventure, like, subscribe, and explore. So, there you have it, folks. A crash course on the wild world of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in the world of finance. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ever-evolving landscape of investment. Section 9. Disclaimer. Navigate the crypto waters with caution. Ahoy, mateys! Before you set sail on your Bitcoin adventure, a word of caution. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and risky. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is like sailing in uncharted waters. Proceed with caution, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.